Hey everybody, Insidious50, and today I'm going to show you how to do your launch control in a Stinger. We have as a GT2 all-wheel drive Stinger, and we are going to show you exactly how you're going to use that. So, right from the start, you're going to push the start button. Start the car up. Now, first things you're going to do is you're going to make sure you're in sport mode. Right now we are in comfort, so we're going to go ahead and turn the drive mode over to sport. As you can see, we are now in sport. Now, what you're also going to want to do is make sure your auto hold is off. If this is not off, it will not work. So make sure that is off. Currently, I have it off. Also, traction control, you're going to want to hold that for 3 to 4 seconds. Traction and the stability control is going to be disabled. And then you're going to pretty much put your car in drive. Now, you're going to put your left foot on the brake, and your right foot's going to go on the accelerator all the way down. Now you have about a 4-second time span until the launch control is disabled. So what you're going to do is left foot on the brake securely, right foot on the accelerator, then you release your left foot and you will launch the car. You will know you are doing it right when a display in the little message in the display says that launch control enabled. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get doing that. So we're in drive and we're good to go. And there we go. And we're going to brake really, really hard. So that's how you're going to do the launch control on your Stinger. I actually had to cut the last little video out because I messed up on some recording stuff. So a few days later, I'm here in my garage. It's not actually my garage. But yeah, if you have any questions at all, let me know in the comments. I know it's a little bit confusing on how Kia decided to do that. And I don't really see a lot of information out there about how to launch your Stinger. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Like the video and subscribe for more. Thanks guys. Peace out.